That's crashing deep to Colton. That shot. Score! Collective. Yeah! Because they were feeling that first. Curve foot trying to twist and turn and shoot. Kicks it. Score! On right there. Just can't find that puck. And John. Centering pass. Shot. Score! Lawson Krause. And all he yells is middle. Middle. Well, Green. Jack Johnson walking in. He scores! Johnny with a sweet little shot. Right up over the in the slot. Shot. Score! Love coming in with speed. Not so sure that may have not been. From the rebound. Score! The tip for Taves. He'll shoot and score! Play by the Avs best players. Well, 2 goals in 2 games now.